When it comes to the bigger picture of your job, the important question in today's work environment is simple. Are you engaged? Whether you're an owner, manager, or just started working, your answer matters. It could mean the difference between endlessly cycling through jobs that are tolerable at best and securing the opportunities of your dreams. Your long-term happiness and your overall career success are at stake. Employees who feel connected to their organization are happier in their roles and they're more productive. The average person spends a third of their life at work. If that third is not infused with purpose, energy, and enthusiasm, then an individual feels that impact beyond work hours. Leaders have an even greater responsibility to optimize their engagement at work because they influence the rest of the organization. In the My Success Drivers course, you'll explore your natural strengths and learn how to apply those strengths and values to drive your career success. You'll look at work-related stressors and identify stress management strategies that help you create sustainable success. Finally, you'll look at how to maximize motivators that are unique to you. It can be very difficult to find the perfect job that matches your strengths, experience, values, and skills. When you don't work in an environment that leverages your strengths, it's easy to feel undervalued and underutilized. If you don't share similar values with your coworkers and the company itself, you might feel like a square peg trying to fit into a round hole. The best way to change a frustrating work situation is by understanding your strengths and values and how best to apply them. With that clarity, you can make better decisions about your role, your employer, and your future success by leveraging your strengths.